Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial of OBS Studio, especially on how to use OBS to record screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened the OBS Studio application, and if we want to record screen with this application, first of all we need to go to the sources and then click on this plus button, and you're going to select the display capture. Okay, and we can create new display capture, then click on OK and click on OK again, and then after that we're going to click on this plus button again and select the audio input capture, so our audio will be recorded with the OBS, and click on OK, and then I'm just going to click on OK. Alright, and once we're ready to start the recording, we can click on start recording, and the recording will be started automatically. Okay, and now the recording process is being started. And for instance, I'm going to record my CapCut application. Then I'm going to go back to the OBS and stop the recording. Okay, and now the recording has been saved to my device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use OBS Studio to record screen on laptop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.